Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting project. Ready to add a touch of practicality and style to your home? Today we're focusing on transforming your entryway. We're tackling a simple yet satisfying project, installing a coat hanger. This isn't just any coat hanger, it's a stylish addition that will elevate your space. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. From measuring the wall to drilling the perfect holes, we've got you covered. So grab your tools, and let's transform that blank wall into a welcoming space for coats, hats, and more. Imagine the convenience and the aesthetic appeal. This project is a great way to improve your home's functionality. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding DIY task that you can complete in just a few hours. You'll be amazed at the difference a simple coat hanger can make. It not only organizes your space but also adds a touch of elegance. No more cluttered chairs or messy piles, just a neat and organized entryway that makes a statement. Your guests will be impressed. Are you ready to get started? Let's make your entryway both functional and stylish. Follow these easy steps, and you'll have your new coat hanger up in no time. Let's dive in and create something amazing together. Before we begin, let's gather everything we'll need for a smooth and successful installation. Having all your tools and materials ready at hand will save you time and make the process much more enjoyable. It's always better to be prepared than to find yourself missing a crucial item halfway through the project. Having your tools and materials ready will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation step is key to ensuring that your DIY project goes off without a hitch. Here's a checklist to get you started. Make sure you have each of these items before you begin. Coat hanger. Choose one you love. This will be the centerpiece of your project, so pick something that fits your style and needs. Screws. Make sure they're the right size and type for your wall. The wrong screws can make your installation unstable, so double-check this detail. Screwdriver, or a drill with a screwdriver bit. A drill can make the job faster and easier, especially if you have multiple screws to install. Level. Essential for a straight and balanced installation. A crooked coat hanger can be an eyesore, so take your time with this step. Pencil. For marking your drill holes. Accurate markings will help you avoid mistakes and ensure everything lines up perfectly. Tape measure. Helpful for finding the perfect spot. Measuring twice and drilling once can save you a lot of hassle. Stud finder. Optional but recommended for added stability. Finding a stud can provide extra support for heavier items. Got everything? Great. With all your tools and materials gathered, you're now ready to move on to the next step, finding the perfect spot for your new coat hanger. Let's get started. Choosing the right location is crucial for both functionality and aesthetics. You'll want your coat hanger to be easily accessible while also complementing your entryway's overall look. Consider the flow of traffic and choose a spot that won't obstruct doorways or walkways. A height that's comfortable for everyone in your household is also important. Once you've found a potential spot, hold the coat hanger up against the wall to visualize how it will look. Take a step back, and make sure you're happy with the placement. Section 4. Marking and leveling for precision. Now it's time to mark the wall where you'll be drilling the holes for your coat hanger. Accurate marking ensures a secure and level installation. Using your tape measure, determine the desired height for your coat hanger. Mark this height on the wall with a light pencil mark. Next, align your level horizontally with the pencil mark you just made. Hold the level steady, and draw a straight line across the level's length. This line will serve as your guide for drilling the holes. Section 5. Securing your coat hanger. With your holes drilled, it's time to attach your coat hanger to the wall. This step is crucial as it ensures that your coat hanger is securely fastened and can hold the weight of your coats and other items. This is the most satisfying part, as you see your hard work coming together. There's nothing quite like the feeling of seeing a project through to completion, especially one that adds both functionality and style to your home. Align the coat hanger's mounting holes with the pilot holes you drilled in the wall. Take your time to ensure everything is perfectly aligned, as this will make the next steps much easier. If your coat hanger came with screws, use those. They are usually designed to fit perfectly with the hanger, providing a secure fit. If not, choose screws that are long enough to securely fasten the hanger to the wall without going all the way through. It's important to select the right type of screws to ensure the hanger stays in place and can support the weight of your items. Use your screwdriver or drill to carefully drive the screws into the pilot holes. Make sure to apply steady pressure and keep the screwdriver or drill straight to avoid stripping the screws. Turn the screws until the coat hanger feels snug against the wall, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this could damage the wall or the hanger itself. A snug fit is all you need to ensure the hanger is secure, and there you have it. Your coat hanger is now securely attached to the wall, ready to be used. Step back and admire your handiwork. Take a moment to appreciate the effort and skill that went into this project. You've successfully installed a stylish and functional coat hanger, transforming your entryway into a more organized and welcoming space. This small addition can make a big difference in keeping your home tidy. Pat yourself on the back. You did it. Completing a DIY project like this is always rewarding, and now you have a practical and attractive addition to your home.